Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Dollarback Store Credit and how we can support a referral program. This is so first, before we even start, I want to take a minute to just say what who's doing what, right? So how this program works is that a customer A who already is the customer of your store, right? They will be a referrer, meaning that they will share their coupon or code with another person, right? And then customer B, who is called the referee, uses customer A's discount code and then places the order. Now, customer A can be configured to get a kickback as store credit when B places an order. So that's what the terminologies are: referrer and referee. Referrer is the person who is referring another person, and referee is the person who is using the referrer's discount, right? So let's take a look at the configuration screen just here, right? So basically we have the first one is how much does the referrer person get, that, right? So that's basically the customer A who is doing the referring, right? So we can choose between fixed amount and percentage of the order, and you can give a fixed amount in case that, hey, for every order that another person makes through your code, you get $5 back or $10 back. Or you can give a percentage of the entire order from the person who's using your code, right? That's how you can set both these rewards up, right? Now, for the person who is using the discount code shared by the referrer, how much discount should they get, right, for using that coupon? So now you have the option between setting up between fixed amount and percentage of the order. When you choose fixed amount, you can give it a discount value, so it adds basically like an order discount. And when you choose percentage of the order, it basically gives a 10% off on the entire order, or any percentage that you set. Now you can also set up something like a minimum order value, so that the referee discount is only valid if they order above a certain minimum order value, right? So that way you can keep the AOV high and make sure that they're not abusing the referral process. The next part comes with combinations. So this basically allows you to set up which discounts this referee coupon code can combine with. You can choose whatever you want here. And the last part is the usage limits. So basically, first is that how many times can the referee use this particular discount code, right? By default it's set as 1 because that's a standard. You can only use a coupon once, because after that you're not a new customer anymore. And then there are two other options, which is allow discounts for new customers only. Basically what this means is that the coupon code will only apply if the customer or the email or the phone number that the customer is using does not have any order on Shopify, right? There's no orders placed on Shopify admin. Only then it will apply. So that's something we support. And the last part is how many days before the referrer's reward expires. So when the referrer gets a kickback from this process, right, how many days after which that reward should expire, right? So let's say they get a $5 reward back, right? We can configure saying that this expires in, let's say, 30 days from now, from the day of customer B's purchase. So this is how we can set that rule up. So that's what this does. So let's take a look and configure this in real life. So here is a test where I'm just setting this up for you. So let's say that I have set up a 5% reward of the order, right? So, and for the fixed amount I give a $5 off, and let's say I don't have a minimum order value, just to keep things simple. And let's just say that it applies for every customer, not just new customers. But any customer can only use the discount code still once because of this limitation, right? You have it set to 1. Now let's enable this and let's hit save. The first thing that happens is that when you save that, right, when you hit save, referral settings saved, and the code generation has been queued. What it means by code generation is that it will start creating a discount code on your store, which is DBR, Dollarback Referral, and it's a do not delete code. So this basically handles all the logic behind the coupon code, right? So it will generate a singular coupon for every single customer of the store. So in my case, I have roughly 20,000 customers on my store. Yeah. So it'll create a coupon for every single customer of my store. Okay, so now once it gets created, the next thing is that you can set up notifications, right? So this basically informs the referring customer that, hey, using your coupon somebody has made a purchase. So this is that you can configure here. If you click edit, you have all the variables available to you. So first name, this is basically the referring person's first name, and you can also give the referred customer A. Let's just switch back to customer A and B. So customer A is this one, right? Basically the person who is giving out the coupon code, and the person who uses the coupon code is customer B, and that's what these variables mean, right? So you can say that, hey, your friend just made a purchase using a referral code. As a thank you, we've added X amount as store credit to your account. You can use this credit on your next purchase at the store, right? And this email is sent whenever there's a referral reward being sent out to the customer. Right now I don't think I have any expiry set up, but you can also set an expiry and also send that as part of the reward notification. Now coming to the next part, we also integrate with Klaviyo, right? If you have your Klaviyo integrations connected, right, it will also send this property. So I can just show you really quickly. Once I connect Klaviyo, and once you connect Klaviyo, it basically shows up these notifications for on Klaviyo as well, right? So now let's get to how this can work. So basically it's now creating the codes. 2100 codes have been created for those customers. It might take a little bit of time, so roughly 5 to 10 minutes, and it will just create every coupon for every single customer of your store. And once you create it, right, let's just create a temp email so that we can make a purchase using a known customer, right? So I'll take my customer. Yeah, so let's take this customer. Now the coupon code for this customer is really simple and straightforward. It's just the customer ID, and I'll just copy that and keep in my clipboard, and we'll wait for this to load. Yep. Once we have the email address, we can start with making a purchase. So let's go through. So I'm buying this product. Okay, this is taking a bit of time. Let's use another provider. Perfect. Now we have an email address which we will copy paste. Let's just give it an address, and we'll make the purchase with the other person's discount code. Let's just give it a look if the discount codes have been created. Roughly 4,000 have been created. Hopefully this code is part of that. Perfect. Now by default, I already have the cashback on my order. So this means that I'm getting $70 as cashback as well as a $5 discount, right? Because that's what I've set up here. Let me just go back in referral configuration. Right. So you get a 5% off the order for the referring person. So customer A gets customer B's orders 5% of that value as cashback. Referee discount gets $5, which is what we are getting here, right? Perfect. Let's make the purchase. I need to give it a name. Able Leslie. Perfect. Now once I place the order, you can notice that I'll go back to the customer whose coupon code I copied. This is a customer who placed the order using the coupon code. So I got a $5 discount. That is, this customer got a $5 discount. And if you see, this customer got a $36 in store credit. Now let's just check that as well. 5%. And let's check the order. 5 into 5%. Yeah, so it rounds up to the nearest integer. So in this case, basically that would be 712 into 5%, 35.6, and that becomes $36 as cashback kickback to this customer A. So that's how this works. Now you can even configure something like a delay. So we support that as well. So every reward that is given, right, you can also add a X amount of delay days. So that means that it's not instant. It has a small amount of delay, and that way you can prevent some amount of customer abuse as well. So yeah, that's how this whole situation works. Now you also have the email. So I have an email sent to this customer which notifies them that customer B has made a purchase. So let's have a quick look at that as well. Perfect. So now that I have logged in to my email, I can see that I have earned $36 for referring a friend, and the email template that I had set up here on the admin, that has been sent to my customer, who is the customer A, the referring customer, right? So that's how you can set up a referral program using store credit. Now you can decide how to pay the store credit to the customer. It doesn't have to be just store credit. So maybe you can just at the end of the month settle the store credit directly with the customer and give them as a real transaction to their account. It's up to you on how you want to manage it, but by default we give the option to use store credit as the means of payment to your customer, right? So yeah, that's how straightforward it is to set up a referral program using Dollarback. And yeah, hope you found this video helpful in setting up the whole process. And in Klaviyo, right, we also make a few variables available. So I'll just show you really quickly what those variables are. So let's go through Klaviyo as well. Let's do a quick login. 1 second. So in Klaviyo, if you want to send the referral coupon to to all your customers, right? What is their coupon code that they can share with their friends? We make this variable available, referral code, available as a custom property on the customer profile. So you can just easily use that and embed that in any of your email flows, right? It's very straightforward to do so. And yeah, that's how we also sync every single customer and their information into Klaviyo, so none of your customers will be missed out, and everybody will have that particular customer ID property synced, referral code property synced onto the Klaviyo account. Uh, Hope this video is very helpful in you help setting up this referral program. And if you found it helpful, or if you have any doubts regarding the program itself and how it works, you can go in, and the moment I place an order, right, you can see that the analytics also shows up that, hey, this guy placed an order and this guy used this guy's coupon, right? So all of that information is always logged and shows up in the graphs over here. So you can easily check how your programs are also performing. If you have any questions or doubts, please feel free to reach out to us and let us know if you have any queries or doubts, and share a comment or like if you feel so inclined. And hope you have a great day. Bye bye.